Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn excretory products and their elimination together, step by step. In this chapter, we study excretion, how the body removes nitrogenous waste, the structure of the kidneys, and how urine is formed and eliminated. Breakdown of proteins produces nitrogenous wastes. Animals excrete ammonia, urea, or uric acid. Humans mainly excrete urea, which is less toxic than ammonia. Humans have two bean-shaped kidneys that filter the blood, remove wastes, and produce urine. Urine passes through the ureters to the bladder and out. The nephron is the functional unit of the kidney. Each has a glomerulus where blood is filtered and a tubule that processes the filtrate into urine. Urine forms in 3 steps. Glomerular filtration removes water and small molecules. Reabsorption returns useful substances to the blood, and secretion adds extra wastes. The kidneys are aided by other organs. The lungs remove carbon dioxide, the skin releases salts and water as sweat, and the liver excretes bile pigments. To recap, the body removes nitrogenous waste mainly as urea, the kidneys filter the blood, and each nephron forms urine through filtration, reabsorption, and secretion. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.